Hi, my name is Robert Margina. I am a statistics major here at Wayne State, and that falls under the mathematical category. So today I'm going to be doing the mathematics research guide. So this first getting started tab has videos on how to access like the general library page, like what the tabs mean and such, as well as how to search for subject special librarians if you need to contact them for help or whatever. The subject librarian for this guide is Clayton Hayes, who he specialized not only in math but also engineering, honors, and urban studies and planning. This next tab, Article Databases and Journals, provides popular databases and journals, obviously, that mathematical literature is published in. It also has this Browsine right here, which is pretty cool because it's like a platform that provides like a big collection of journals that Wayne State has in their collection. And you can also download it on your iPhone or Android device. You get access to all these journals. This next tab, books and monographs, it just provides two videos on how to find books, which is done through the catalog tab on the main page, as well as how to request library materials that are not available at the moment. This next tab, web resources for math, it provides just a bunch of websites that give important math concepts as well as like the history of math and like certain historical mathematicians and like how they came to be, like their biographies and such. It also gives this Mathematics Institute section gives like certain popular institutes that conduct mathematical research. For example, the Fields Institute, which is a place where a bunch of like mathematicians get together and they collaborate to work on certain problems. This next tab, researching and publishing practice, it talks about a certain metric that like kind of determines the impact that a journal has. So for example, when you click on here, you'll see that the CA Cancer Journal for Clinicians has the highest impact out of all the journals here. And it's determined through something like has to do with like citations, I believe. It also talks about open access, which is basically just having free, unrestricted online access to scholarly and peer-reviewed publications. And it also talks about their benefits, which I think I wholeheartedly agree with. I don't think there's a reason why journals and such should be hidden behind a paywall. This tab takes us to another research guide on latex and how to use it. Basically, it in and of itself is an open source markup, document markup, which is used by lots of mathematicians. And it also talks about how to use it and all of that. So this next tab, the NSF Public Access Guidelines, it talks about NSF, which is one of the main funders for grants and such, and their policy on requiring basically anything published on their website, well, that has to comply at least. That needs to allow access to the entire public, and like it shows you like how to publish, how to properly publish on their website. And the next tab, NIH public access policy is basically the same thing, but for the NIH, which I believe is the National Institute of Health. And then these last two tabs just provide a bunch of texts and journals and such on pretty much all things mathematics. This is pretty useful if you're like struggling on a concept in a math class, like your teacher's not explaining it properly. You can like come here to learn all about it, read certain concepts. It also provides info on the Mathematics Resource Center, which also provides tutoring if that's how you prefer to learn. And other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it.